it's very often the primary concern of parents is what happens to the children upon their divorce and separation. And at the Law House, we're really concerned about making an effort to make this transition as sensitive as possible, particularly on the children. So the questions about losing your home or whether you need to move on are always addressed fully and comprehensively based on our years and years of experience in this area.
The question of whether or not one spouse has to pay maintenance for the other can be a vexed issue. The aim in family matters, whether it's by negotiation or through the courts, is to achieve what is known as a clean break, and that is to end the dependence of one spouse upon the other. Sometimes that's not possible, maybe because one spouse has been out of work for a long time and needs to retrain and get back into work. But even if spousal maintenance does have to be paid, it will almost always be time limited and will not just carry on indefinitely. The question of whether or not a stay-at-home parent has to go back to work upon divorce is naturally a real problem or real issue for that parent upon divorce. Now, the aim in family proceedings will be to achieve a clean break. So depending on the age, the capability, the potential of the stay-at-home parent, he or she may well be expected to go back to work, but it's not automatic. All the factors will have to be taken into account, the needs of the children, and so on. If the spouse who wants to remain in the family home cannot get a mortgage, and of course assuming there's a mortgage on the property, then it is likely the house will be sold, because whatever settlement or arrangement is put in place at the end of the marriage, it has to be affordable by both parties, and there won't be any point in the property being transferred into the name of one party if, and it is generally she, cannot then maintain the mortgage.